Question 3 subpart 1. A minus b is equals to 7. AB is equals to 30. Find the value for a cube minus b cube. We all know that the expansion for a minus b the whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Therefore, as per the expansion, the value of a minus b is 7. So 7 cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3 times 30 into 7, which is equal to 343. Since the value of 7 cube is 343, which is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. So minus 630, and the value of a cube minus b cube is 343 plus 630, and a cube minus b cube is equals to 973, which is my final answer. Question 3 sub part 2. The value of a minus b is 9. AB is equals to 10. Find the value for a cube minus b cube. Therefore, we all know that the expansion for a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Therefore, this can be written as 9 cube, which is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3 times 10 into 9. Therefore, 9 cube is equal to 729 is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3 tens are 30, and 30 into 9 is 270. Therefore, a cube minus b cube is equal to 729 plus 270, and therefore a cube minus b cube is equal to 999, which is my final answer. Sub part 3. A minus 2b is equal to 4. AB is equal to 6. Find the value for a cube minus 8b cube. We all know the expansion for a minus b the whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Therefore, in this given question, the value of a is a and the value of b will be 2b. Therefore, 4 cube. Therefore, the given expansion becomes a minus 2b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 2b the whole cube minus 3 times a into 2b into a minus 2b. The value of a minus 2b is 4 cube is equal to a cube minus 8b cube minus 6ab into 4, since a minus 2b is 4. Therefore, 64 equals to a cube minus 8b cube minus 24 6a, and therefore a cube minus b cube is equal to 64 plus 144, and therefore the final answer for a cube minus b cube is 208.